going to be sharing with you guys quick and easy and free way how to make your own custom YouTube channel art. So what you will need are literally 2 apps and the internet, okay? You're going to need the Phonto app and you're going to need the PicsArt app. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to get on Safari and you're going to look up literally any background that you want. Like if you want designer, glitter, like some type of aesthetic stuff, just look it up. Once you look it up, you're going to look through the photos, choose your photo and save it to your phone. I'm using this Dior one. It's just like a pink Dior, cute little background. I like it. So what you want to do is you're going to save the image to your gallery. And before you do this, you can also save a whole bunch of images because you want to have options just in case you don't like your first outcome. Alright y'all, once you have the image saved, you're going to go into the Phonto app. And what you're going to do once you get on the app, you're going to click on plain images. And then you're going to choose the white image at the top. And then you're going to click on the little number setting so you can edit the size. And you're going to want to make the size 2560 by 423. So y'all, once you have the image size, it's going to show up. It's going to look small. This is exactly what it's supposed to look like. So y'all, once you have this image, you're going to click on the 3 dots on the side. And you're going to get your little wallpaper that you just got, and you're going to size it up so that it covers this white strip completely. Like you're going to want to make sure that it covers everything completely. Once the image is covering everything, you're going to want to hit save to gallery. Going into your gallery, guys, this is what the background would look like after you're done. So now I'm going to show you guys how to get the little picture edits on the banner. You're going to go into PicsArt and you're going to click on add image, and you're going to go to your gallery and you're just going to choose a photo that you want to be in your banner. Preferably you want to use a photo of yourself with like standing in front of a plain background so it's easy. And here's the photo I'm using. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go to cutout and hit cutout. Then you're going to click on the little person icon so it traces yourself automatically. Next, you're going to want to use the eraser and you're going to erase the red lines that are on the background of your image. So if you're standing in front of a wall and it automatically puts some red markings on the wall, you're going to want to get rid of all of that, y'all. So once you clean up the photo the best that you could, you're going to hit next and you're going to save the photo to your gallery. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but you want to try to get it as perfect as you can, y'all. So now going back into Phonto app, you're going to click on add image from your gallery and you're going to put the banner that you made earlier and you're going to add that. Next, you're going to click on the 3 dots again, click add image, and you're going to add the image that you just saved from Phonto. And you're just going to want to size it up so that it fits inside of the border of the banner that you made. And you can make it however big you want. You can tilt it, literally do anything that you want to it. You might want to have more than one photo, so I did this off camera, but you're just going to literally do the same exact process that you just did in PicsArt to the first photo, to every photo, and then you're going to come back and add it to your banner. And then what you're going to do is you're going to adjust it where you want it. You can space them out, you can put them close together, whatever you want to do. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to save the image to your gallery, y'all. So once your image is saved, you're going to go ahead and add text. Here you can add your channel name, anything that you want to add. And you can also change the font, you can change the size, you can change the color. Literally, y'all, just go through the settings on this app. It's so much you can do. You can tilt it, you can make it curvy, you can make it straight, you can bend it, whatever you want to do. Go through the settings, y'all. What I did, I just made my text black and I put like a white border, and then I got this cute little font, and then I just added like a little shadowing effect. And then I wanted it spaced out, but as you could tell, it was a little bit too big, so I just sized it down, and then I put it right in the center over top of my photos where I wanted it to be. So what you're going to do is you're also going to add like your Instagram handles, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever the case might be, TikTok, whatever you got and you want it on your banner. Go ahead, add the text and edit your text. Y'all, through this whole process, make sure that you save everything. So once you add your channel name, your Instagram account names, make sure you hit save. Next, what you're going to do, if you want like additional things such as like, say you want like a little glitter effect, like you want like stars, you want like hearts, you want butterflies. Personally, I love butterflies, you know. That's like my little thing. That's my whole aesthetic right there. So you just want to go on Google, type in what you want, and just add transparent or PNG at the end. And you're going to want to save the image to your gallery. Like I said, I wanted butterflies, so I just typed in transparent butterflies, and you're going to want to save it to your gallery. However, there's like a slight error with this, so I'm going to show you guys. So here is my butterfly image that I wanted. So I saved it, and I went back into Phonto, and then I click add image, and then I chose the image that I just saved. However, when you get to it, it has like the white squaring around it. That means that it's not going to work. If you add it, it's going to have the white background. Make sure that your image looks like this once you go to add it, that it's like has a fully blacked out background, because that means that it's going to be fully transparent, like this butterfly photo that I have here. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to add your little edits all over your thing, wherever you want it. I just wanted a little butterfly coming out the side, so that's what I did. And again, save it. So y'all, after you add everything that you want, your banner is basically done. And when you go back to your gallery, this is what your banner will look like. But there is one last step into being officially finalized with the banner, and we gonna get into that now. All right, so before we get to the last step on how to finalize, I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to add the little Instagram, Snapchat icons. Basically, use the same method that you did to add the butterfly / your glitter, other effects. Look up transparent Snapchat logo, transparent Instagram logo, save it to your gallery, check it to make sure that it has that black background, and then you're gonna go into Phonto, click add image again, choose the image, again, make sure that the background looks like this, fully black, and you're gonna add it to the photo, size it, tilt it, put it where you want it, make sure it looks good and nice to how you want it and everything. If you want to add like a subscribe button, you just search up transparent subscribe button. You can look up aesthetic subscribe button, pastel subscribe button, pink subscribe button, literally whatever you want. However, upon looking at the subscribe buttons, I noticed that most of the ones that are in red have like the background that you don't want. So what I personally did is I just went and I looked up pink subscribe buttons, and instead of finding transparent ones, I just saved the image of the one that I want, and then I'm gonna go back to my gallery that comes with the iPhone app, and then you're just gonna edit it and get rid of what you don't want and then save it. It's the end, y'all. Once you save your photo, what you're going to want to do now, you're going to click on plain images. Click on the little number setting again. Change the number setting to 2560 by 1440. This is like the standard banner template size for YouTube. Or over time, YouTube changes this. So you could just look up on Google YouTube banner size and you can put that as your sizing. Next, what you're going to do, you want to go on YouTube. Not YouTube, y'all. I'm tripping. Go on Google. And then you're going to look up YouTube banner template. All right, so once you look it up, what you're going to do is you're going to save the image. Make sure you get a clear one. Go back to Phonto. Click add image over top of the image you just made. And then what you're going to do is you're going to size it up just like you did before with the wallpaper. Size it up. Make sure it covers the white part completely. Make sure that the center, like the little center with the lines, is in the middle because that's where you're going to add your banner. So just make sure that it's completely sized up. Next, you're going to add an image. Take your banner, your finished product, add it to that, and then you're going to size it inside of the little template that you have. Mine was like a little bit too small, so I just went on height and heightened it. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to tap on the gray background only, and you're going to hit delete, y'all. And there goes your brand new YouTube banner. As you can see at the side, my banner was like hanging off a little bit, and I want it to be like adjusted over. So again, you just click on it, move it over, and then you hit save the gallery, and it's going to cut all of that out. Now, to see your final product, go into your gallery. And here's your final product. This is the final product. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all would like another video on how to actually upload the banner to YouTube, because you already know YouTube be doing the most. Like, for some reason, you can't upload this on your phone. But if y'all want an in-depth video, like, comment, and subscribe for a part 2 of my little YouTube series to help y'all.